In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to permanently delete your Binance account. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Binance from your iPhone or smartphone device. Then from here, you need to log into your account that you want to delete. Then from here, you need to go up to the right-hand corner on this yellow bookmark and go up to settings. Then from here, you need to scroll down until you see Privacy Center down in the button here. Click on this. Then you have the opportunities to delete account. Click on this and delete account. Then the deletion reasons, you need to select multiple reasons for why you want to delete it. As you can see here, you can either no longer want to use this specific account, or you can merge multiple accounts if you want to do that, or you can click other and then enter a little description if you want to do that. Then from here, you just need to click continue, and then Binance will delete your account. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!